What's up fam, it's Wyf CaityB back in the video with another reaction video with Mama B. This is my mama and we only react to polys or just nations in general. So for today we're reacting to the brother Biggzy from Sydney, Liverpool, and this track is called My City. Alright. If you're new to our channel and this is the first ever video you're watching, welcome to our channel. Thank you so much for stopping by, and if you want to consider subscribing, please do by clicking on my logo over there or click subscribe at the bottom, and please don't forget to click that bell to keep notified on when we upload videos for you guys.
What was that pause for?
Huh? What are you talking about?
Like you're doing some major intro or something.
Oh, girlfriend, don't worry. Alright, well you guys know the go of PolyMovement and our poly businesses. We're wearing Seki apparel, so Mama's wearing
Varsity.
Yeah, Varsity, and I'm wearing their new design, so this is called
design.
the hood design. Yeah. So two different ranges, they're not limited to only this. Again, they do have other colors. Mum does wear a blue t-shirt sometimes, if you guys would have seen other videos, but yeah, please go check them out and show them some love. But yeah, let's get to the track, and thank you to those that have requested. Yeah baby. Oh, straight into it. Yeah, that looks familiar. We saw in another clip, I think.
Oh, doing that, Biggzy.
Oh, again. Oh no, was it the last one we reacted to was?
Yeah, we did.
I was talking to the boys.
Yeah. This kid looks like Crazy Visions.
Molino.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, doing that, Biggzy.
Alpi, that's my city. Southwest, that's my city. Sydney, that's my city. Dropping off my city.
Oh, that was gangsta.
Oh.
Biggzy, OG, let's get it. LP, that's my city. Southwest, that's my city. Sydney, that's my city, and I'm putting on for my city. LP, that's my city. Southwest, that's my city. Sydney, that's my city, and I'm putting on for my city. I'm putting on for my city. Southwest and Sydney, LP to be specific. LP my place of living. Other sections must be kidding. Say we are not to nothing. They're talking like there's something, but who the hell was asking? It's on for my city. Southwest and Sydney, LP to be specific. I'll be my place of living. Other sections must be kidding, saying we are not to nothing. They're talking like there's something, but who the hell was asking? I'm all from my cities, from South Auckland to Sydney. To Middlemore, it made me like the Southwest race.
Oh, Heron was born in Middle Way.
I wasn't.
Middlemore represent. Oh, you were born Green Lane.
Seen her.
Damn.
Because we lived around that area before we were all shipped out to Utara.
Oh, it's at a baby.
South Auckland. But yeah, I love Tim's.
I like that. I like it. I like how fast it is. This is what I'm talking about, man.
I know we're going to have problems with the upload because it's got kids in there, but
Yeah.
I can see the storyline.
Yeah, this is so cute, man. I love it. Preach.
That's so cute.
Oh, I love this, man.
They're going to grow up and look at this and like,
Yeah.
what's on it?
That's my city.
Cities from South Auckland to Sydney. To Middlemore, it made me like the Southwest raised me. I was in and out of the B&E from the 45, that's north side, to the 42, that's LB. Shout out to those so Finney. See, I'm a fat boy, but the way I spit, you think I'm anorexic. Lyrically busy, hectic from the western, not Texas. I'm that menace to society, that nuisance in this rap scene. These other cats, they hate on me, cause my punchlines hit like Ali. Move swiftly, like Manny, too deadly, like Larry. Kinda filthy, like Billy did. In the ring, play tips with a cat's lips. I'm not detour, but take a detour.
His voice.
Yeah.
It's almost sharp.
Sharp, yeah.
Like almost deep but sharp.
Like a growl type of thing, but like nice aggressive.
A lot of people from Sydney, they have that. Oh no, it's Australian.
Yeah,
thing.
it's just, yeah.
Yeah, like
It
we
depends,
sound, us from New Zealand sound totally different to.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got more deeper where they got more.
Yeah, they got a
sharp,
sort of high pitched,
almost,
sharp voices.
yeah,
Yeah, like Cooligan
almost-
Heffer's got that.
It's almost prim and proper.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Prim and proper. Oh, however they talk.
Larry, kind of filthy, like Billy did. In the ring, play tips with a cat's lips. I'm not detour, but take a detour. And be sure you want the grand tour. Silver encore, what you're looking for. I'll take it to school like a sophomore. LB, that's my city. Southwest, that's my city. Sydney, that's my city. And I'm putting on for my city. LB, that's my city. city. Southwest, that's my city. Sydney, that's my city. And I'm putting on for my city. I'm putting on for my city. Southwestern Sydney, I'll be to be specific. I'll be my place of living. Other sections must be kidding. Say we are meant to nothing. They're talking like there's something, but who the hell was asking? It's on for my city. Southwestern Sydney, I'll be to be specific. I'll be my place of living. Other sections must be kidding. Saying we are meant to nothing. They're talking like there's something, but who the hell was asking? I'm that black sheep in this rap game, and I say that cause they all the same. Concepts with popularity. Let's compare similarities. They rock graphics with your figure. Schemers like no figure. Got chains like Kanye, but they ain't got no gold. We got boots and we got goodies. We got young G's like the Goonies. With our face masks or hoodies. For these cats are not my pussy. Straight rookie.
I'm finding it hard to hear. Like, I get the rest of what he's saying, and then it's like, his accent changes when a certain word pops up. Like the end of the sentence.
Yeah, like the beginning builds up to.
Yeah.
And it builds up. Like
and then once he gets to that word I want to hear, it's like, huh?
Like he copies it.
Yeah, copies it, and it's too fast. Wait, let me just rewind that back.
But then you pick it up.
Yeah.
Like when it hits the end of that line, you quickly
learn.
remember what he's saying and then you follow it through.
Oh man, this goes. Whew.
Specific, I'll be my place of living. Other sections must be kidding. Saying we are meant to nothing. They're talking like there's something, but who the hell was asking? I'm that black sheep in this rap game, and I say that cause they all the same. Concepts with popularity. Let's compare similarities. They rock graphics with your figure. Schemers like no figure. Got chains like Kanye, but they ain't got no gold. We got boots and we got goodies. We got young G's like the Goonies. With our face masks or hoodies. For these cats are not my pussy. Straight rookie. When I was looking, we're cashed up like bookies. Straight lines, chasing a cookie. Living in castles when a cook see. My hate's clear like Shakespeare. These embers remind me of King. I'm sick of these cats, sick of my flipping packs. This and that while we flipping. Keys chopping trees, got you on your knees, begging to keep your teeth. Kiss these Nikes on my feet. Watch your soul, we gon' reap out in folk. Shh. Discreet. LP, that's my city. Southwest, that's my city. Sydney, that's my city. And I'm putting on for my city. LP, that's my city. Southwest, that's my city. Sydney, that's my city. And I'm putting on for my city. I'm putting on for my city. Southwestern Sydney, LP to be specific. LP my place of living. Other sections must be kidding. Say we are meant to nothing. They're talking like there's something, but who the hell was asking? It's on for my city. Southwestern Sydney, LP to be specific. I'll be my place of living. Other sections must be kidding. Saying we are not to nothing. They're talking like there's something, but who the hell was asking?
When? That was so fast, as you do. Oh, I like how that ended.
Liverpool represent.
Let's go, baby.
Wow.
Damn. Whew. I feel like I just went to a full-on concert. I'm pretty tired now.
Another fast rap.
Yeah. So what do you think will be?
I can't remember the way he rapped the last time. It wasn't so fast.
Yeah, it wasn't as
It was
fast.
slower. Yeah. This one, wow.
He really. Whew.
And with the Mexican.
Yeah,
I don't know if it's
yeah.
Mexican.
Spanish type.
Spanish, yeah.
Damn. I just know what you thought it would be.
He's just ripping where he's from, and he's got all the boys in the background. Soulmate Mickey's there too.
Oh, this is probably the same boys that are in his last clip too.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I reckon this track was pretty bad. Like, this is what we like, you know, more hyped up because you know I feel like we feel like sometimes some rap songs are a bit slow.
And it's not.
Sort of,
if it's not intense,
it
doesn't come across.
Yeah, it's like as aggressive like this.
It's
like I feel like he
serious,
owns the city because you know he's really put it out there. He doesn't come to play with the way he's rapping. You know, the beat he chose and just the clip in general. Like everything about it, you definitely own Liverpool, bro. But I reckon it wasn't too bad. I like the visuals. You know, Crazy Visions and Sona Productions and all those behind the scenes don't come to play. He's got the best of the best, and I love that he, you know, incorporated the little kids in there rapping, you know, in substitution of him and his boys. I reckon that was pretty bad. And it was cute how the kids were using, you know, the fake Monopoly money and you guys were using real money. It cracks me up, but yeah. I really like it. Didn't get too much of what he was saying. I'm still trying to get some verses. I'll probably have a look at the lyrics later and understand better.
Yeah. I get Like I just went with in generalising what you were
course.
saying was about he's rapping about my
Yeah.
city,
Mm.
where he's from,
Yeah,
and just letting people know where he's from.
yeah,
That's his city.
yeah. And
Yep.
I think I heard him talking about people trying to come in and claim it. It's like, oh, who are you? Yeah.
When
When did I ask or something? He says all that. Oh.
that's big now, eh?
Yeah. Oh man.
Yeah.
I can't have a normal conversation with people without us going, oh when? Oh man.
Good thing you haven't done it with me. Try me.
She does it to me a lot, that's for sure. Ever since I introduced her to it, oh fuck, she's on a roll. He's like rolling. Whew.
See, that's why. She just goes, oh, yeah. Oh.
Oh, dead man, I'm dead. But yeah, I reckon I give the song I give the song an 8.
I give it an 8. I was gonna say 8.
Yeah.
I give it an 8 because it's hype. It's not attacking anybody.
Yeah, it's just
it's just
Yeah.
letting people know.
and don't rip a city that you haven't, you just came in because there's a famous person here.
But he mentioned he's from South Auckland,
yeah.
so
yeah, that
yeah,
makes
it's
it,
like-
and he
yeah.
was raised there, so
yeah,
it makes
he's
sense.
definitely got the accent. That's for
Yeah.
sure.
100%, man, 100%.
Maybe if we're here longer, we'll sound a bit more.
Nah. Oh yeah, yeah.
Wow. Never mind.
Fish. But yeah,
Go back home. Go back home.
for sure. But you guys know the go. Please support the bro official Biggzy. Subscribe to his channel. We'll have all the information in the description box below, along with our poly businesses. Follow their socials and show them some love too, fams. Yeah, support them and share as well when you can. But yeah, much love. Stay safe and see you guys on the next video. Bye, fams.